Think your engine is worn out? Think again. Many cars that feel sluggish, rough, or underpowered aren't actually dying, they're suffering from years of neglected maintenance. The good news? Most of these problems can be improved without expensive repairs. Today on CarFix, we're covering 15 proven ways to restore performance, improve fuel economy, and extend engine life. Some of these fixes cost less than a tank of fuel, but the difference can be incredible. Let's get started. 15. Replace your engine air filter. A dirty air filter restricts airflow and forces your engine to work harder. Many drivers assume a slightly dirty filter is still fine, but even moderate blockage can affect throttle response and fuel efficiency. Hold your filter up to a light source. If you can't clearly see light passing through it, it's time for a replacement. It's one of the easiest and cheapest maintenance jobs you can do, yet the results are often noticeable immediately. 14. Clean the throttle body. Over time, carbon deposits and oily residue build up around the throttle plate. This buildup reduces airflow and can cause rough idling, hesitation, and sluggish acceleration. Using throttle body cleaner and a clean cloth, carefully remove the deposits. Once cleaned, the engine often idles smoother and responds faster to throttle input. 13. Use a quality fuel injector cleaner. Fuel injectors are designed to spray fuel in a precise pattern. As deposits accumulate, that spray becomes uneven, reducing efficiency and power. Adding a high-quality injector cleaner to your fuel tank can help restore proper fuel atomization and improve overall engine performance. For best results, use a trusted premium formula and repeat the treatment periodically. 12. Install new spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture thousands of times every minute. As they wear, the spark becomes weaker and less efficient. Replacing old plugs can improve starting, fuel economy, throttle response, and overall smoothness. Always replace the complete set rather than changing only one plug. 11. Switch to high-mileage oil. If your vehicle has accumulated significant mileage, high-mileage oil can provide additional protection. These oils contain additives designed to help aging seals, reduce oil consumption, and maintain lubrication where wear has increased internal clearances. Many drivers notice quieter operation and smoother performance after making the switch. Perform an engine flush before an oil change. Sludge buildup can restrict oil flow and reduce lubrication effectiveness. A proper engine flush can help remove contaminants before fresh oil is installed. When used correctly during an oil change service, it may improve oil circulation and reduce engine noise in neglected engines. 9. Flush the cooling system. Coolant doesn't last forever. Even when it looks clean, its protective additives may be depleted. Replacing old coolant helps prevent corrosion, improves heat transfer, and protects components like the radiator, heater core, and water pump. A healthy cooling system is essential for engine longevity. 8. Remove carbon deposits from the intake system. Carbon buildup can reduce performance and affect combustion efficiency. Using approved intake cleaning products can help remove deposits that accumulate over years of driving. Many owners report smoother operation and improved acceleration after completing this service. Always follow manufacturer recommendations and safety procedures. 7. Replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve is a small component with a big job. It regulates crankcase ventilation and helps prevent sludge formation. A faulty valve can increase oil consumption, create leaks, and contribute to carbon buildup. Fortunately, replacement is inexpensive and often takes only a few minutes. 6. Clean the mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures incoming air so the engine computer can calculate the correct fuel mixture. When dirt or oil contaminates the sensor, performance suffers. Using a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner can restore accurate readings and improve throttle response and fuel economy. Never touch the sensing element directly. 5. Inspect oxygen sensors. Oxygen sensors play a critical role in fuel mixture control. As they age, they become slower and less accurate. The result can be reduced fuel economy, lower performance, and increased emissions. Replacing worn sensors can restore efficiency and help the engine run closer to factory specifications. 4. Check valve clearances. Some engines require periodic valve clearance adjustments. When clearances move out of specification, performance, fuel economy, and idle quality can suffer. Although this is typically a workshop procedure, it can dramatically improve engine operation when neglected. 3. Perform a compression test. Before spending money on major repairs, find out the true condition of your engine. A compression test reveals how well each cylinder seals and provides valuable information about engine health. Good compression indicates a solid mechanical foundation for all other maintenance efforts. 2. Consider additional wear protection. Certain engines may benefit from specialized oil additives designed to improve lubrication and reduce wear. Always verify compatibility with your engine and oil specifications before use. When appropriate, these additives can provide additional protection in high-mileage applications. 1. Change your oil more frequently. Nothing affects engine life more than clean oil. Fresh oil protects moving parts, removes contaminants, and helps maintain every improvement made by the other maintenance steps on this list. Waiting too long between oil changes accelerates wear and allows deposits to form. Consistent oil changes remain the single most effective maintenance habit for long engine life. Most engines don't fail because they're old, they fail because maintenance gets ignored. Start with the basics. Replace worn components, keep fluids fresh, and follow a consistent service schedule. You might be surprised how much performance is still hiding inside your vehicle. Which of these maintenance tips are you planning to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Fix for more practical automotive tips that save money and keep your car running at its best.